Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your workspace name in Notion. Whether you're rebranding your team's project space or simply want a clearer identifier for your personal workspace, renaming it in Notion is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to Notion and open the workspace that you want to rename. Make sure you're viewing the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple ones, as this will ensure you're editing the right space. Once you've confirmed you're in the correct workspace, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar at the bottom of the screen. In the sidebar, you'll see a Settings option. Click on Settings to access your workspace configuration panel. This is where all the important customization and management options for your workspace live, from member permissions to billing details. For our purposes today, we'll focus specifically on the naming settings. Within the Settings panel, look for the Workspace section and click on General. This area contains the fundamental settings for your workspace, including the name and visual identity. Under Workspace Settings, you'll find the current name of your workspace displayed. To change it, simply delete the existing name and type in your new workspace name. Choose something that clearly represents the purpose or team using the workspace, as this name will appear across all shared pages and invitations. While you're here, you also have the option to customize your workspace's visual identity. Click on the icon next to your workspace name if you'd like to change it. Notion offers flexibility here. You can either select from their default icon library or upload a custom image. If you prefer, you can also add an icon via a link, which is handy if you have a logo hosted online that you want to use consistently. Once you've entered your new workspace name and made any icon changes, scroll down to the bottom of the Settings panel and click the Update button. This action saves all your changes and applies them across your workspace immediately. To confirm that everything has updated correctly, glance at the top left corner of the Notion sidebar where your workspace name is displayed. You should see your new name reflected there, confirming the change was successful. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.